Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, or you can simply enter the themes. Here in the settings, we have to scroll down to find the wallpaper. And of course, after giving all the permissions your device needs, you will be transferred to this section. Here we've got some categories from which we can choose. What's more, we've got the new and the top ones. And be aware that those options, basically this whole section, will be available if you will have the internet connection. So first of all, provide it, and then we can enter those cute and beautiful wallpapers from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, so I'm pretty sure that you will find something you like. And if you will do it, all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, you will be provided with some more options which are in this, let's say, kind of the same style. So you can always pick something from other options like here. And I think I will pick this one. As you can see under it, again, you've got more options to choose from. If you want to check the preview on the full screen, just tap on the particular option, particular wallpaper, and this is how it will look like after applying, and that's how it will look like on the lock screen. So if you like the research, if you like this option, just tap on apply, and right now you can decide where you want to set it. So as I said, on the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. I don't want to turn on the carousel. Of course, if you want to, just tap on agree. And we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied, so now we can go back and check. And as you can see, we've got this wallpaper on the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also, and it is available here. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.